Hey guys, it's Sean here from Progressive Force Concepts. Happy holidays to all you folks out there at ar15.com. What we have today is we put together kind of a special drill just for you guys, and what we're going to do is we're going to combine our refunction drills on the carbine with those old high school suicide drills you used to run for sports. When you see it, I'm sure all of you will remember. Hey guys, as you can see, we're out on the range. I am joined by our instructor, Mike Barnhart, and as you can also see, we have this drill set up. So right in front of me is a cone. The shooter is going to start at this cone. They are going to run down to that first carbine right there that you can see is actually placed the ejection port cover down so that the shooter that approaches it cannot see the malfunction that's present. Shooter's going to pick up that first rifle, attempt to fire, and that is very important for that stimulus response and also so that they can properly diagnose the malfunction. Shooter is going to get that gun back up and running and fire 2 rounds at the target at the 25. They are going to safely clear out that weapon, ground it. As soon as that weapon is grounded, they are going to run back to this orange cone, touch the orange cone. They will then run from the orange cone to the second rifle. They will pick up the second rifle, attempt to fire, fix the rifle, fire 2 rounds, safely clear it out, ground it, run back down to the cone, all the way back down to the third rifle, and then the last rifle. And that's it.
However, there is a catch. The shooter will refunction and fire the carbine, number 1, with the weapon in his strong side. He will refunction and fire carbine number 2 with the weapon in his support side. He will refunction and fire carbine number 3, strong hand only, and refunction and fire carbine number 4, support hand only.
All right, let's see how he does. 3, 2, 1, go. Time!